Yeah. Where did you go? In the last minute, last 2 minutes that I was
I was actually thinking where should I be sitting in my house so that I can get some good lightning.
good.
But
You
good,
did
but
lightning.
I didn't. Yeah, good lighting, but it didn't like I didn't manage it really well. So, but
No, it's
finally I got
possible.
a
You're
good
doing
spot.
great.
Yeah, so I entered my room and I was like, okay, fine, okay, let me be over here only. So yeah,
This is perfect.
what's
I've seen
up?
that painting before.
This one?
Yeah.
Yeah, here.
Fun.
That's
What is
Goku.
happening? What are you doing? What is house quarantine treating you?
Arre, mat pucho. Like, been sitting an entire day, either working on something or the other. But sometimes you feel so lazy because you're always home, no? So not every day also cannot be productive, I feel.
Yeah.
Because
Of course.
one day you, of course, that's how it is. So, but
Yeah.
yeah, trying to manage ghar ka kaam, helping mother, my
Yeah.
mom,
Yeah,
you
but
know, with
congratulations. Holiday. Our show is on MX Player. Watch it.
oh yeah, I have to. Yes, guys, even you guys should go and watch it. That's
Yeah.
please watch Holiday. If you
It's a
want
cool
to
show.
experience Holiday, if you want to
Yeah.
visit Mauritius,
I'm not going to take too
please
much
watch.
credit. This is just me doing this.
Please watch. What's happening with you? How's the quarantine treating it? So after so long, I'm watching. I'm like
I
looking
know.
at you,
I
seeing
mean,
you.
I don't mean this in a rude way, but it's been good though. I mean, thankfully, because during the lockdown when it started, I moved in with a couple of my friends, so it's been great.
Hmm.
Otherwise, I definitely would have gone mad. But this is
Sure.
okay. This is good.
But are you in Bombay only over here?
I'm in Bombay. I'm in Bombay.
You're in Bombay
I
only.
was trying to go back to Kerala, but then and I booked my flight also. But then the night
But
before that, Kerala went through a full lockdown, so I couldn't go.
Kerala is right now like a red zone. Like
No,
it was
Kerala is green
really.
zone.
It's green zone now? Oh,
Yeah, Kerala has no
thankfully.
Kerala. They were
Because
very
in
good with
between,
like.
I heard that Kerala was facing a lot of problems with a lot of
Yeah,
cases.
in the
है ना?
middle there were a few cases, but then they were really good with like containing it. So now they're very good.
और बताओ.
But what's been happening? What are you missing the most? Who
I've
are
been
you missing
missing
the most?
studios, yeah. Studios the most, honestly.
Studio, I know, right?
And yeah, because I'm always there at this point. इस time पे तो मैं वहीं पे ही होता हूँ यार रेनल.
Yeah,
शुरू ही कर रहा होता हूँ 10 o'clock when my day gets over. So entire day and like I'll sit properly for 2 hours.
yeah,
So I'm missing studios. ठीक है मैंने अपने room को studios बना रखा है. But still studios are वो जो feel है ना studios का
yeah.
वो अलग ही है यार वो अलग ही है. So that's
I
the
just saw.
most.
By the way, hi to everybody who's come online. Thank you.
Hi guys.
What's it?
Hi
And
guys.
hi and hello to everybody and hearts to everybody and emoji with heart eyes to everybody too. But hi, Via, miss you too. But send us questions.
हाँ जी सर बताइए सर आइए आपके क्वेश्चंस तो मतलब वेट है इन क्वेश्चंस
No,
का
I
मुझे तो
mean, I do have questions. I do have questions. Should we get down? Should we get done with the tough one right at the beginning, or like should we keep it for later?
ओके ठीक है whatever it's up
Okay.
to you decide you
Okay, cool.
decide
Let's just get done with it. But
yeah
you know, I've realized that quarantine or not, there is no lack of drama and
I'm so sure
content. But tell me, it's really cool of you guys though, because I feel like sometimes what has to be said, and in the
true
most
true
respectable way possible, right?
yeah
So how has it been? Because I saw Binasha's post and
yeah
there's
yeah, yeah.
only been love, there's only been support,
Hmm.
and it looks like there's a lot of love and people are understanding it. How has it been for you? Because I feel like talking about it and like
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
sort of sort of
So I'll
putting it
tell
out there
you.
is not an easy decision, right?
Mhm,
How did you sort
mhm.
of make that decision of putting it out
So I'll tell you honestly, Renil. So if the people would have read that post properly, you will
there?
understand that that post is not to defame anybody. Number one, it's a point
Yeah,
because
yeah,
we deserve this chance because we never spoke, especially when it comes to Ben. This was the first time in 2 years Ben spoke, and the reason because we thought in a point of time, दो
yeah,
साल में लोग भूल जाएंगे यार. आप
yeah,
इतना हीट नहीं पे करते कि ज्यादा से ज्यादा चीजें बकवास है वो कुछ बोल रहे हैं ठीक है
yeah,
एंड प्लस कमिंग आउट लाइक दैट विद दोस टू गर्ल्स आल्सो बिकॉज सी Ben had the support of those two girls who were there that time also. We didn't
yeah,
go ahead and
yeah,
pay it much heat because we understand the sensitivity of the things. But yeah, रुक ही नहीं रहा था Renil. People especially when me and Ben Afsha announced our relationship, people were thrashing Ben and how like I don't know why.
yeah,
And
yeah,
we are sitting over here and thinking यार ये क्यों हो रहा है ठीक है
yeah,
like because
yeah.
what is this like she's a 23-year-old girl who's done a
Correct.
show and she's a beautiful girl. You have met Ben.
Of course.
We all have met Ben. She is not somebody who is right now उसको जो दिखाया जा रहा है एंड देन
Yeah.
मासेस, बिकॉज उनको दिखाया ये गया, तो हमने अब सोचा यार अब सच्चाई तो बता देते हैं इनको, ताकि एक लड़की, एक तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई रियली डोंट अप्रिशिएट दोज पीपल हु कैन गो अहेड ऑन अ नेशनल टेलीविजन एंड आप जिनसे प्यार करने का दावा करते हैं, then you must be loving somebody. I have loved a girl. I
Yeah.
love Ben, right?
Yeah.
I can never in my life go ahead and when national television पे उस चीज का, you know, I cannot go ahead and
Yeah. Yeah.
just take
Yeah. And
her down like that. इज्जत की बात है यार, आपकी रेपुटेशन, आप रिस्पेक्ट की बात है. It is as simple. आपके प्यार की रिस्पेक्ट की बात है. कभी तो प्यार किया ना उस लड़की से.
Yeah.
वो चीजें हमें समझ नहीं है, और वो भी झूठ. तो हमने कहा यार सच्चाई तो दिखा दें. At least people should know that Benafsha is not at a fault because the story is different altogether.
Yeah.
पहले आप पूरा चीजें करते, so we just came ahead and thanks to those women, those two
Yeah.
ladies, Jyotika and Samida, they
Yeah.
came ahead and even we asked them after 2 years that if Benny asked them that, you know, it's so emotional to us, no, Renal, like I'm talking about also because I know what Ben has gone through since last 2 years.
Yeah.
You know, it's
Yeah.
so emotional to me and so
Yeah.
emotional to the families. But
Yeah.
at the, and where हमने ये शुरू भी नहीं किया कभी. It was completely unreasonable. It was completely uncalled for. So this topic is so emotional to all of us that, you know, we are really grateful to those two ladies जिन्होंने support किया, because they were there present that time. तो
Yeah.
हमारे पास एक proof था. हम proof के साथ है कि देखो 2 लड़कियां थीं. हम चाहते ये पहले भी कर सकते थे. हमने
Yeah.
नहीं किया था because हमें लगा था ये रुक जाएगा. वो
Yeah.
नहीं रुका. तो हमें भी, बिकॉज एक लड़की की इज्जत की बात है यार, एक लड़की, यू नो, इट्स अबाउट हर रेपुटेशन, इट्स अबाउट हर सेल्फ रिस्पेक्ट, इट्स अबाउट हर फैमिली, यू नो, इट्स अ गर्ल आफ्टर ऑल. लाइक आई हैव बीन एट अ पॉइंट इन माय लाइफ, आई नो हाउ सेंसिटिव इज इट, बिकॉज बिग बॉस में कुछ मिस्टेक, लाइक one two things it happened with me as well. I really understood that time that how sensitive is this and how important is for men like us, like who represents youth.
Yeah.
That you cannot go ahead and you cannot do that with somebody. You just cannot. So we just came ahead and we, you know, with a lot of keeping a stone on our heart, because we never wanted to do it. You have seen me, you know, Ben. We are completely out. लोग क्या क्या बात करते हैं यार हमारे बारे में, क्या क्या बकवास करते हैं. हमने कभी जवाब नहीं दिया, कभी वापस यू नो उनको मुड़ के नहीं बोला.
Yeah.
But it was high time now. I feel that I cannot see Ben in that space because I love her way too much. You know, mom couldn't see Ben like that. So we finally was like, okay, fine. हमें at least अपना बात तो रखनी पड़ेगी. हमने इसे शुरुआत नहीं करी कभी. हमने कभी उनको बोला नहीं, कभी किसी को इंस्टिगेट नहीं किया उस चीज पे आके. ठीक है. तो अब लेकिन ये हमारा चांस है एक बार बोलने का. हमें एक बार, और हमने उसका इतना हाइप नहीं मचाया, रेनिल. It was just Benafsha's one post. जब मेरे टाइम पे, उस टाइम पे चीजें हुई थी, ऐसा हाइप, ऐसा बवाल, ऐसे टैग्स हुए गए थे, लाइक इट वाज कंप्लीटली अनकॉल्ड फॉर. यू नो, we'll keep it very subtle, but because it is Ben's point of view, हमारा thought process था that we will only say our side of the story and just nothing else in the most purest form. So that's why those two girls, thanks, I'm really thankful to them again, Samida and Jyotika. They really became our pillars, our strength for my Ben. You know, they really came ahead and they really supported Ben. And the best part was, you know, all the ladies, Renil, after that post, came out in like that. Support. All the ladies. Like, I know there's so many girls who are very smart. Like, they all came out in support. And what I was thinking, क्या कहते हैं, ये जब पूरा का पूरा हमने जब शेयर किया, इसके बाद लोग भी बात क्या कर रहे हैं, जो obviously their supporters also, they're talking about me cheating on the same, like वो कह रहे हैं कि तूने भी तो सेम चीज की है. अब मैं कैसे समझाऊं भाई, ये जो प्यार था बेनाफ्शा और उसका, वो असली था. मेरा एक शो था, कॉन्सेप्ट था भाई. 10 स्प्लिट्स विला हो चुके हैं यार, 12 स्प्लिट्स विला हो चुके हैं. किसका कपल आज तक याद है, किसका कपल इतना जाता है एक रियलिटी शो में? एक बात बताओ, एक रियलिटी शो में आप लाइफ पार्टनर ढूंढने जाते हो, ऐसा कभी हो सकता है रेनिल? 27 डेज हमने स्प्लिट्स विला शूट किया. हाउ कैन पीपल एक्सपेक्ट मी टू फाइंड माई लाइफ पार्टनर, ब्रो? एंड दैट टू, जब स्प्लिट्स विला खत्म भी हो गया, उसके 2-3 हफ्ते बाद जब शुरू हो गया था टेलीकास्ट, मैंने खुद बैठ के ना भाई गाड़ी में लड़की के साथ क्लियरेंस दे दिया कि भाई, यू नो, दिस इज द रियल लाइफ एंड दैट इज द शो. आई कैन नॉट गो अहेड एंड आई कैन नॉट डू इट. प्लीज अंडरस्टैंड कि हमारा, तो वो समझ भी गई. वी बिकेम ग्रेट फ्रेंड्स. शी हेल्प मी इन बिग बॉस. अब क्या था, ये चल रहा था शो 3 महीने, हम कॉन्ट्रैक्ट में होते हैं एमटीवी के साथ यार, चैनल्स के साथ. So we cannot go ahead and tell them right now, वो ब्रेक नहीं कर सकते. तो ऑब्वियसली वो हमें आगे लेके जाना पड़ा. तब तक मैं बिग बॉस में चला गया. अब मुझे भाई बिग बॉस में सच्ची में प्यार हो गया. इसमें मेरी क्या गलती है? मैंने कैसे चीट किया, मतलब मैंने जिस लड़की को कभी डेट ही नहीं किया तो मैंने चीट कैसे किया, मेरा तो पहला चीज ये है।
Yeah.
अब मुझे सच्ची में प्यार हो गया एक लड़की से, लाइक आई एम वेरी इमोशनल अबाउट दिस राइट नाउ,
No,
बट
no, no,
एट द सेम टाइम आई एम जस्ट लाइक इट वी हैव रियली for 2 years we have really seen it, Renil, like really,
yeah, but tell me,
not joking.
Priyank, see, you also mentioned that you
Sorry.
haven't spoken about this between you, right?
Yeah.
But why did you not? Because I remember, like, this has been running for a while now. Like, even when you did Splits and when you did Big Balls and all of that,
Yeah.
it's been running from there. And you've been, from what I know and what I've heard, when it was your turn and when they were talking about you and Ben, it was not very sweet and it's not like one post and all of that, like you said, right? They went for it.
They went like crazy. They went out with a rage. And those people, like, I don't know जो भी हैं जो भी नहीं है, हमारा मकसद ये था कि please guys उनको hate मत करो. We all have moved on. I am happy with them. They must be happy in their own lives. You know,
Yeah.
since you know me as a guy, what I am, knowing Ben, we never want to go ahead and spread haters. Honestly, but हमें एक मौका चाहिए था ताकि हम अपने सच्चाई तो बताएं लोगों को. And जिसने भी वो पोस्ट पढ़ा होगा ना बॉस,
Yeah.
that post is one of the best things written out there because I know so many people. It is Ben ने जो वो post इतना अच्छे से लिखा था, I remember she took her time, like I gave her that time. I was there with her. I was not interrupting at all, not giving anything. I was like, Ben, I'm just sitting next to you. I'm in the house. I'm just roaming. Whatever you want, you know, I'm here for you always. In whatever you do, we took a lot of time. We thought about it also. कि हम जो कर रहे हैं वो ठीक, मतलब आज भी हम सोच रहे हैं, मतलब सोच रहे हैं कि 2 साल बाद भी जब एक लड़की को सब, you know, people for no reason, they're just bashing her, they're just, you know, going out loud with things. We are still over here, हम सोच रहे थे Ben and me that we were still doing and thinking about those people कि यार नहीं करना चाहिए. But I'm so sorry, हमारे पास कोई ऑप्शन नहीं था because we never started this. People should understand. हमने कभी स्टार्ट नहीं की ये चीज, ठीक है, but it was important for us, for our own sanity, right, to finish it.
Yeah, but Priyank, I mean,
there was a perception.
It's always better late than never. But what instigated it right now? Why was now the time to like put it out? Was there like a push from somewhere?
No, there was no push, nothing like that. But it's just that when me and Ben confirmed our relationship, I thought it's gonna be beautiful. I think people will be like, it's pure love. Like, यार हमारी मर्जी, हम कभी ना. 2 साल Ben ने अच्छा टाइम लिया to understand that you know, after Big Boss, since again वो reality show था, already controversy बना रखी थी, जिस मैं लड़की के साथ कभी रहा भी नहीं यार, सच उनके साथ जो थी, उसके ऊपर ही इतनी बड़ी controversy बन गई, तो you know आप डर जाते हो थोड़ा सा, आप डर जाते हो कि जो चीज आपकी प्योर है ना, because Ben and me are very pure, like you have seen it. I didn't want any negativity around it. So when I went ahead with Ben, what all I saw was a perception was created 2 years back for Ben. It was coming back.
Yeah.
I cannot take it. I cannot take it for the girl I love. You know, my family cannot take it. Her family cannot take it. I'm so sorry. Like, we cannot take it. We never deserve that also. कि आप national television पे जाके हमारा बात कर रहे हैं, because it is something we never deserved, honestly. And we were never part of it. ठीक है, जो भी था आपका पास था, जो भी था, बट मुझे तब भी नहीं समझ आता कि आप रियलिटी शो में जाके ये सब बातें क्यों करोगे. I still don't understand. But any which way, we have really surpassed, and we have got a lot of support. Daniel, one second. Tell Shreya that I'm on a live. Call me later. She's from MTV. She's calling me again and again. Yeah, sorry. Right? So, what?
I said that's cool.
Yeah. So what was I saying? Too much emotions.
Right? Yeah, you were talking about
मैं बात नहीं करता इस बारे में.
Family and all of that.
Yeah. So exactly, Renil. तो पता है जब ये चीज हुई तो we were like we deserve the entire chance of just एक बार बोल देते हैं, हमें से कुछ hype नहीं करना है. But जिसको समझना होगा ना, अगर अभी भी नहीं लोग समझेंगे, नंबर 1 मैं फिर से बोलूंगा कि हमने कभी शुरुआत नहीं की, हम कभी इतना डर्टी नहीं गए. इट इज जस्ट दैट हमें आपने जो एक परसेप्शन दिया, हमें उसको क्लियर करना था. एक लड़की की बात थी यार, एक लड़की की इमेज की बात थी, एक रेपुटेशन थी. आप खुद मुझे बोल रहे थे कि मैंने बिग बॉस में एक स्टेटमेंट क्या दे दिया था, तब अब लोगों ने मेरे पीछे पड़ गए थे. आई हैव बीन, यू नो, मुझे पता है उसका क्या वो रहता है, यू नो, हाउ पीपल रिस्पॉन्ड टू इट. But at the same time, the same thing was happening on another reality show and no one responded.
Yeah.
You know, what kind of hypocrisy was this? I felt. I felt for
Yeah.
myself because आपने जब मैंने एक statement दे दिया तो people went outraged. मैं कह रहा हूँ वो ठीक किया. Maybe I deserved it. But for another person doing the same thing, how can you guys appreciate that?
Yeah.
Sorry, I
Yeah.
can't. We cannot.
Yeah.
We cannot. Like, गलतियां हम सब करते हैं. It is absolutely fine. But at the same time, realizations are very important.
Yeah.
Being apologetic is very important about these things. Because कहीं ना कहीं प्यार सच्चा अगर आपका था,
Yeah.
भाई मैं तो नहीं करता वो चीज. That's what I
Yeah.
know for sure. So,
Yeah. But
coming into ending this topic, मुझे
yeah.
ज्यादा इस बारे में बात भी नहीं करनी. But at the same time, but ठीक है, let I just want peace in my life. मैंने Ben
Yeah.
का like I can see Ben now really in peace and happy because
Yeah.
she clarified herself and her peace is my peace, her happiness is my happiness, and we are happy, our families are happy. So what is better than that?
No, but I'm very happy and proud of the both of you because sometimes it's very
Daniel.
important that you let it out and you
I
vent
love
it
you.
out. And,
Thank you.
So that people know as well. I'm glad. But tell me, I've realized that. Tell me also about the hate, right? Because like you said, there's like immense hate that's coming, like from people who love you and people who don't like you, and like people who love the other party. Tell me, do you feel like sometimes when you go to these reality shows, people take it too seriously, and like sometimes people don't really understand that things in relationships that are bound to a certain reality show might not be the long-lasting, lifelong situation. Do you feel like people take it too seriously and like come for you?
सी रेनल, मैं उनको ब्लेम भी नहीं करता इस चीज के लिए. आप रियलिटी शो देखते हैं अपना मतलब और बहुत एंटरटेनमेंट पर्पस से बनाए जाते हैं. इट्स नॉट समथिंग व्हिच इज सपोज टू बी टेकन सीरियसली. लाइक हम बिग बॉस देखते हैं, इस साल का बिग बॉस देखिए, मतलब अगर आप उन लोगों को जज करने लग जाएंगे उस बेसिस पे, बिकॉज इट्स सो माइंड फकिंग, अगर आप बेसिस पे जज करेंगे तो यार वो आई एम सो श्योर उनमें से ऐसा कोई भी नहीं होगा. Like I can vouch on them. तू कभी मिलेगा भी and you must be knowing a lot of people also already. Like I also know a lot of people from there. पहले से. I know that no, these people are not like that because मैं उनसे मिलता हूँ. But it's just that the circumstances ऐसे बन जाते हैं. Imagine आप सब अभी लॉकडाउन में आप घर में बैठे हैं. आप सब कह रहे हैं सबके दिमाग खराब हो रखे हैं. बॉस हमारे पास बिग बॉस में हम सेम घर पे बैठते थे. ठीक है, हमारे पास सेम खाना ऐसे आता था. हमारे पास फोन्स भी नहीं थे, हमारे पास टीवीज भी नहीं थे. ऊपर से टेंशन है बिकॉज देयर इज अ लॉट ऑफ स्ट्रेस ऑफ because Big Boss is giving us task and it's a competition, it's a race. So imagine the kind of stress we and other people must be going through. So I want to tell people that I understand that you guys are taking reality shows very seriously because you guys love it and we really appreciate, I have a lot of gratitude towards it. But at the same time that please don't judge us on the basis of our personal lives. We are over here to entertain people. यार ये हमारी रोजी रोटी, हमारा ब्रेड एंड बटर है, मेरा तो है, औरों का भी है. ठीक है, हम उसलिए आते हैं. Like it's a very different perception. We belong from a very simple families. Like if you see my family, it's very simple. I have a mother. You've met her. She's beautiful. My father is a government servant. Even achieving so much, it is supposed like we live the very simple life. Like I know a lot of other people also who are really bigger than me, bigger than all of us. Like, but they are so simple the way when it comes to their personal life. So it is something people should understand. And not judge people on the basis of just a reality show. Take us seriously, yes. I'm not saying that, but don't judge us. Don't judge our personal lives. Don't judge us. हर एक का एक तरीका होता है. अब स्प्लिट्सविला की बात करूं मैं अगर, तो यार वो एक डेटिंग शो था, वो कॉन्सेप्ट ही ऐसा है रहने. अगर वो कॉन्सेप्ट कुछ और होता तो मैं उस हिसाब से शो में जाता. मैं समझता अच्छा इसका कॉन्सेप्ट ये है और मैं उस हिसाब से फिर चीजें करता. आप समझ रहे हो, रोडीज का कॉन्सेप्ट अलग है. तो मैं रोडीज में गया तो मैंने रोडीज में देखा, अच्छा रोडीज में ऐसे ऐसे जितना मुझे समझ है उस हिसाब से मैंने चीजें करी. मैं बिग बॉस में गया, उसका अलग कॉन्सेप्ट है. एवरी शो हैज अ डिफरेंट कॉन्सेप्ट एंड वी हैव टू बेसिकली फॉलो दैट कॉन्सेप्ट बिकॉज I come from a background which has no relation. I don't have a godfather. So I have to also figure my ways out and I was doing that only that time. कि यार बॉस मैं बस figure out कर लूँ और मैं इंडस्ट्री में आ जाऊँ because that's where I belong. Is what I feel. I've been giving so many years to this industry. So it's that.
Tell me, this is the last difficult question for you for the night.
It's not difficult. It's you. That's why I'm also talking about this. वरना मैं किसी से बात भी नहीं करता because it's you. I love you. There's a lot of So that's the only reason.
Okay. Last difficult question. I'm glad that you mentioned the reality show part and also Roadies because you've been a part of Roadies as well. Tell me, have you spoken about this before?
No. This is the first time I'm speaking.
Okay.
This is the
Tell me.
first time I'm speaking and speaking my heart out with
Yeah.
you because I'm with you. I'm more comfortable with you when it comes to. I don't feel like talking to strangers because उनका space नहीं है, to
Yeah.
understand that also. The kind
Yeah.
of involvement I can tell you can have with me can
Yeah.
make a lot of difference. So it's just that मैंने तो तुझसे questions भी नहीं पूछे थे हम किस बारे में बात करने वाले हैं. People think that we have
Yeah.
decided this. No, I
Yeah.
had no idea what Renil
We
ने
have not.
मुझे call किया है. Like I
Yeah.
remember because it's just that I trust him so much because I know कुछ भी पूछेगा, कुछ भी आएगा, it is him. We can handle it, and so it is just that.
Yeah. Tell me, I love you. I'm glad you're talking about this, and I also feel like you needed it. I'm glad some
Yeah.
people,
Thank
it's
you.
also important once in a while that there's some clarity and everybody's at peace.
Yeah.
Okay. Tell me, the last one, tell me, what did you think and what did you feel when the whole Neha thing came up, right? Because you've been on that show before.
Oh, yeah.
You've auditioned it, you've been a part. Did you win it? You won it.
I didn't win any of the reality shows in my
But
life.
you were
No.
like somewhere up
I've
there.
been part of 1 year I finished 3 of my reality shows, started from
All.
Roadies, Splits, and Big Boss. Yeah.
Correct.
But I didn't end up winning any of it.
Yeah. So obviously, like the whole audition thingy where the guy was there and it blew up and all of that, right?
Yeah.
What did that make you feel? I mean, see, obviously, like I'm not asking anybody to take a side because I mean I don't know if it's an extreme like black or white. It's a reality show where you're sort of like creating entertainment and drama and all of that. What did you? What did that
Renil,
make you?
मुझे एक चीज बताने देख यार पता है रियलिटी शो में जाके ना देख सबसे पहले क्या होता है रियलिटी शोज बहुत अच्छे वेल एडिटेड होते हैं इस बारे में मैं फिर से बात करूंगा यू जस्ट हैव टू रिमाइंड मी दैट आई हैव टू स्पीक अबाउट दिस कि मैं वेल एडिटेड वाला पॉइंट क्यों बोल रहा हूँ मैं अपना खुद का एग्जांपल लेके आपको लोगों को समझाऊंगा ये कैसे हुआ है ठीक है टॉकिंग अबाउट दिस नेहाज थिंग एंटायरली आई ऑनेस्टली आई रियली फील दैट कुछ भी है अगर हम टीवी में जाके रियलिटी शो में जाके अगर हम प्रमोट कर लें करना शुरू कर देंगे ना वायलेंस अगेंस्ट विमेन एंड यू नो हाउ सेंसिटिव इट इज स्पेशली इन कंट्री लाइक इंडिया बहुत सेंसिटिव है बिकॉज अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल दे नीड टू गेट दैट नॉलेज दैट व्हाट इज करेक्ट एंड नॉट राइट यू नो बिकॉज इंडिया में ऑलरेडी बहुत ऑब्जेक्टिफाई one second MTV Aditya and Shreya calling me again and again. Can you please tell them that I'm sitting on live with Renil? They have to call me later. Sorry.
That's okay.
Sorry guys. Work is happening right now. One second, Renil.
Yeah.
Tell them I'm on a live right now. I had no idea about this. Huh. So, talking about coming back to where?
We were talking about not promoting violence.
People need to understand कि हम जाके violence against women, we cannot promote that. That is not cool, guys. Please don't do it. No matter what, आप किसी पे हाथ नहीं उठा सकते. ये हमें पता है. It's the only thing which I feel that we cannot go ahead on a national television and can promote it. We cannot. We cannot. It's very sensitive. It is not, something which I appreciate or anyone appreciates. आप एक स्टेटमेंट पे जब प्रियांक शर्मा को इतना थ्रैश कर सकते हैं मैं अपना एग्जांपल लेता हूँ यार मैं इधर आप सबके सामने बैठा हूँ बिग बॉस में मैंने एक स्टेटमेंट दी सब चढ़ गए थे मुझ पे सबके सब आई डिजर्व्ड इट राइट आई अंडरस्टूड द सेंसिटिविटी ऑफ इट एक स्टेटमेंट पे इमेजिन मारना दैट इज नॉट कूल नो मैटर व्हाट उसकी लाइफ है आप छोड़ दो यार मारना हर चीज का आंसर नहीं है हर चीज का सॉल्यूशन भी नहीं है एट द सेम टाइम यू नो Renil so yeah that's what I feel like.
I'm reminding you because you asked me to. You said you asked me to remind you about the editing thing.
So thank you so much for making me remember this. So talking about editing, अब क्या है जैसे Big Boss में मैं ही बैठा हुआ था. I remember instead of it was a family week, so instead of my mother, somebody else came who was not so relevant. I don't blame channel for this because Splitsvilla चल रहा था, तो I really understand उनको ये एक क्लोजर देना था. तो आई अंडरस्टैंड दैट कि क्लोजर देना जरूरी है कि हाँ शो चल रहा है कॉन्सेप्ट था यू नो आई मूव्ड ऑन विद पीपल वर मेकिंग इट वेरी ऑब्वियस दैट मी एंड बेन व्हाट
Splits is still running side by side, is it?
Side by side that time Big Boss and Splits were running एक साथ साइमल्टेनियसली पर मैं शूट 3 महीने 4 महीने पहले करके आ गया था यार Splitsvilla का तो 3-4 महीने में काफी लाइफ बदल जाती है लोगों की एंड एट द सेम टाइम आई फील दैट मैं बैठा हूँ जैसे एक टास्क था जिसमें हम बैठे हुए फ्रीज जिसमें हमें बोल रखा है हम मूव नहीं
Yeah,
कर
yeah.
सकते. So instead, I was expecting that my mom will come, you know, either my father will come, somebody from my family will be coming. It was a family week. We are already very emotional looking at other family members, you know, getting so much positive vibes because we don't get it inside the house. कौन आता है? चलो वो आते हैं. तो वो क्या होता है, अभी लोगों को लगता है कि मैं उनके पीछे भागा, उनके पीछे रोया. नहीं, मैं
Okay,
इसलिए
one
रोया
second,
था.
Priyank.
हाँ,
One
बोला
second, one second.
बोला बोला.
One second. Something has happened because my I just got a call in the middle and fucked up the audio. I might have to. Do you have an earphone?
Check, just get on.
Okay, I'm just gonna quickly try this earphone.
Comments till then. Hi guys, I'm so sorry we are not ignoring you. Renil is here. You're back.
You're back.
So
Yeah.
I'm just read. I will be coming back to you guys. Renil and me will be back. Let me just
Yeah,
finish
yeah,
this
for
and we'll come to you all and I will answer everything. You guys will understand a lot of things right now. I'm talking about this.
We're doing this right after this conversation.
Yeah. So अब मैं जैसे बिग बॉस में बैठा हूँ and you know she comes and वो मुझे तो for me a lot of people think that I was behind her you know because I was in love with her or something, crying and all of that, calling her name. No, the reason was because somebody comes and tells me that my mother is not doing fine. I've lost everything which I earned from 2 reality shows. I was Roadies and Smithsonian. मेरा career शुरू हुआ था यार तब उस time पे. You know, I have lost everything. That was the reason I actually cried. And I was, मैं तब हिल भी नहीं सकता because वो टास्क चल रहा है फ्रीज का. आप टास्क हार जाओगे. तो बिग बॉस भी ऐसे ही है. वो क्रिएटिव्स बहुत स्मार्ट है. उन्होंने तब जाके बोला जब तक वो निकल चुकी थी, वो जा चुकी थी. तो मैं उसको इसलिए बुला रहा हूँ वहां पे कि मुझे बात करनी है. मुझे जब मॉम के बारे में बोल दिया ना कि सब खत्म हो चुका है, यू नो, सब फेस कर रहे हैं, चीज कर रहे हैं. तो आप क्लिप उठा के देख सकते हैं, ऐसा बोला गया है. तो वो चीज लाइक बिकॉज आई एम रियली रियली अटैच टू हर, माई मदर. आई वहीं मेरे लिए फुल स्टॉप, वहीं पे मेरा ब्लॉकेज हो गया. मुझे उसके आगे तो कुछ समझ ही नहीं आया. समझ रहे हैं? जैसे मैंने मॉम का नाम सुना ना, it just went a blackout in front of my eyes and my brain stopped working. Only thing what my concern was that I need to meet my mother. That's what I was telling the creators also throughout when I was inside the house. I have cried for 2 weeks inside the house because I was just worried for my mother. Yeah. Because she was not going through. I know that she was not going through, and she's very sensitive and not so aware like how most of the mothers are. You know, our mothers are. So I was like, how must be she must be dealing. तो मेरा तो वहीं पे mental blockage हो गया. So now वो इतना अच्छे से edit किया कि लोगों को लगा कि मैं उसके पीछे भाग रहा हूँ कि हाँ, calling her name with all of that. No, it was not true. I was not behind her for that. I was उससे पहले तो हम बाहर मिल चुके थे. हमने बात कर ली थी with mutual understanding. There was a friend. Ripu Daman Singh was the name of our friend. We were sitting in a car. We cleared out the entire differences, you know, and we became good friends again. Yeah. So at the same time, please, people should understand that they are very well edited also at the same time. We cannot blame the creatives, neither the channel, because after all क्या हो रहा है? It's on the entertainment purposes. आप लोग देखते हैं, आप लोगों को वो मजा आता है, तभी हमें भी कुछ मिलता है उसके बदले. क्रिएटिव्स को मिलता है, चैनल को मिलता है, बिग बॉस शो इतना बड़ा बनता है. So please understand, guys, it's very well edited. It is very simple as that. So
for sure. Okay, now I'm glad you've spoken about all these things.
Thanks for making me speak about this, Renil.
No, for sure.
Who could be a better person than you?
Perfect. Okay, now we must. A lot of people have been sending questions. Please ask the questions now. Now we're looking at the comment section directly.
Let's go. I'll just go over it, guys. You guys can ask me anything. I'm over here, an open book. I was not speaking since last 2 years, but I feel that people should know one of the sides, and I really want to say that. Please, Basir is saying, I agree. I love you, Basir.
You start.
And not encourage और किसी को डिफेम करने आए, नहीं. हमारा एक हक बनता है, बस उसके बारे में बात कर रहा हूँ यार. आई थिंक इतना तो मेरा भी बनता है. अगर मेरे बारे में इतना बात किया गया है, तो अगर हम पहली बार अगर बात कर रहे हैं तो आई थिंक इट्स नॉट बैड, राइट? I think it is not. But at the same time, Basir, a lot of people, I can see great comments. Priyank Star, proud. Thank you guys. Thank you so much. I really wanted to speak about this, and ये बहुत सच है जो मैं बोल रहा हूँ. So it's all because of you guys. And who is your GF? I think you should really visit my profile on Instagram because I love.
It's pretty out there.
It's pretty out there now. आज तक हम 2 साल तक सिर्फ छुपा ही रहे थे, so because we had our reasons.
Anjali Sharma is asking now, are you okay with Divya and
हाँ.
Karan? I mean, are you guys?
Why won't I
know
be
you guys
okay?
spoke about it, but
See,
are you
I
guys
never
also
had.
trying to like
Yeah.
sort of mend the relationship?
Yeah. Why? मुझे क्या फर्क पड़ेगा? मैं
Yeah.
लड़के को तो मैं जानता ही नहीं, लड़का तो मेरे लिए एग्जिस्ट करता ही नहीं करता है, वो तो ऑलमोस्ट लाइक सी दैट्स बेन्स पास्ट ऑनेस्टली, मेरे लिए तो वहीं पे फुल स्टॉप हो जाता है. दैट इज
Yeah.
द ओनली रीजन एंड फ्यू एनटीवी म्यूचुअल ग्रुप्स एंड सर्कल्स, दैट्स हाउ वी नो. एंड आई स्पोकन टू द गाय, ही वाज रियली गुड बिफोर बिग बॉस एंड वी हैड लाइक ठीक है थोड़ा बहुत अच्छा खासा स्वीटली बात हो गया. मैं जानता ही नहीं उसको जज करने के लिए भी, यू नो.
Yeah.
आप जज तब करें ना जब आप जानते हैं इंसान को. मैं तो जानता ही नहीं, मेरे लिए वो एग्जिस्ट करता ही नहीं करता, एक ही बात है आज तक ऑनेस्टली. इट इज जस्ट दैट माय गर्लफ्रेंड्स पास्ट, दैट्स इट, एंड वी embrace it. I embrace it. That is it. It is how it's supposed to be like. Right? It's her past. It's Benny's past. I totally embrace it. And talking about the girl, she has been a great friend, you know, at a point in my life. And,
Yeah.
you know, I just want to embrace it again because I have never spoken anything against her till date. And neither that's going to be coming because I have really embraced the relationship we have had of good friends. And, you know, attraction was also there. मैं ये नहीं बोलूँगा, Renil, there was no attraction and, you know, between her and me in Splitsville. There was.
Yeah.
Because वो zone ऐसा होता है. But उसके बाहर आके जब हम देखते हैं ना, रियल लाइफ बहुत डिफरेंट होती है.
Yeah.
So, you know, so it is just that. So I just embrace it and I'm really happy for them. Honestly, please go ahead and have a great life. And I am so sure the same thing with them as well.
पिताजी डोर बंद कर दोगे, वो बात.
डोर बंद कर दोगे प्लीज.
Thank you.
डोर बंद कर दोगे प्लीज.
Sorry, they're playing. There's a lot of noise coming. How is Ankit Pandey is asking, how is Ben's state of mind? I'm sure that
Ben-
she's feeling much lighter and at
Yeah.
peace.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So Ben in between because you know we were expecting that we are announcing such a you know big thing because coming out especially in this industry with a relationship, it's already a very big thing, Renil. You know, I don't know why it is like Ben और मैं कभी भी बात करते हैं कि यार ऐसा क्यों है, हमें समझ नहीं आता है. But any which way, you know, it's already a big thing and it is very pure. And मैं तो सिर्फ यही देख के हैरान होता हूँ यार, how can people hate pure love? आप प्यार को कैसे नफरत कर सकते हैं? मतलब मुझे ये समझ, आप उनके लिए भी मैं बात कर रहा हूँ, मैं अपने लिए भी बात कर रहा हूँ इस चीज में. We're talking for both of us, for both the couples. Understand? आप इस कपल को भी हेट नहीं कर सकते, आप उस कपल को भी नहीं हेट कर सकते क्योंकि आप दोनों में बहुत सच में जेन्युइन प्यार देखते हैं. It is very simple. So, but Ben is now at peace. She is very happy. She's always been happy. But when, you know, आप एक टाइम तक इग्नोर कर सकते हैं Renil comments को जब, you know, people have a certain perception for you. But after a point, after she's a human, she's 23, man. She's 23 and like, she was 21. She was 20 when she was in Big Boss. We celebrated her birthday. She turned 21 inside the house. What do you expect from a 23-year-old girl is what I want to know. I'm 27. We all have been 23. आप सब जितने भी viewers हैं, आप अपने आप से एक क्वेश्चन पूछेंगे जब आप 23 साल के थे, आपने कितने फकअप्स किए थे? और 21 साल के थे, 23 भी नहीं, 23 की तो वो अब हो चुकी है. आप जब 20-21 साल के थे तब आपसे कितने you know problems हुए थे, फकअप्स हुए थे? And just then think about it and then judge us.
I also just want to tell everybody that's watching that, I mean, I know this has been a conversation, it's a heavyweight conversation, we've discussed a lot of things, but don't send hate to anybody, you know?
Yeah, simple. Don't give hate to anybody.
But it doesn't involve like, you know, you guys, I mean, there's a lot of love, I understand, but you don't have to like go and like say bad things to anybody else.
Yeah,
it can be, we can deal all of this with love and like being nice. Tell me what are you watching?
One more. I'm not watching anything. I'm just right now listening to a very peaceful music. My TV is on with a great scenery. If you want to see 1 second, you can see. Can you see?
What happened to the other big TV? The one that you were so proud that you were always talking about.
That is outside. Mama is watching something on that TV. So Mama ka wo TV ban jata and this becomes my television. That's why. Sometimes I was watching I was watching Game of Thrones and you know certain scenes are like pretty explicit. So Mama is like, no, I can't watch it. You only watch it. You only watch it.
That's not your mother. Yeah, she will freak out.
Yeah, Renil, my battery is very low. I might be going. मेरा phone कभी भी off हो सकता है.
So let's conclude it. Let's conclude it. We'll take the last 3 questions and conclude it. Okay. You look for it.
In case my phone goes off. In case my phone goes off, stay here. I will be coming back from mom's phone because I haven't logged in account from there also. If you want, I can cut the phone. I can come from there also. We can then take it.
No, we conclude it. Let's conclude it. Fine. fine. It's fine.
ठीक है?
Let's go for the last 3 questions and then we can
आजा. Yeah.
go for it. We are looking at the comment section. Send us good questions. Okay, quickly.
Come on, guys. Come on.
Priyank, meanwhile, what's coming up for you after the lockdown?
I have 3 web series lined up for me for this year. Touchwood, with God's grace. I'm really excited, and my all energies is gonna be there into my acting and those focusing on those web series. All right. Number 1, Holiday 2 is one of them. Just may say. And the rest of the things I'll be focusing on my dancing, because I really want to come back as a dancer, and it's gonna take me one पूरा साल लगेगा मुझे, but I think 2021 is gonna be Priyank Sharma dance. Be watching Priyank dancing like never before. Yeah, so that's यही है यार, अभी तो यही आता है मुझे करना, और क्या इसके अलावा मुझे कुछ करना है.
Kanika 1429 is asking, what's your favorite food? What's your favorite food? And what are you missing?
My favorite food. My favorite food. I love sushis. Yeah, I love sushis. I've just given up on non-veg right now in life. So I'm a vegetarian now.
Are you going? Has your phone died? Is this what it is? Okay, we're trying to figure this out, guys. Okay, guys, I think he had to leave because he spoke about like a lack of battery. I'm just gonna check if he comes back from another phone in like a second. Otherwise, we just end this. It's been a heavy conversation. Like I said before, there is no necessity for anybody to go to any other account and spread hate. It's been a conversation that was necessary. Clarity was needed, and that's been done. So thank you for staying in. Okay. He's not there, so I think his phone died. Yeah. Okay, you guys take care. Until then, I'll see you guys soon, okay? Bye. Oh, no, wait. Yeah, perfect. Okay, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Until then, please take care, stay home, stay safe, and bye.